Welcome to WheelsEdge. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. In this video, let's see some tips to maintain our car during lockdown. Let's move on to the video. First, start the engine once a week, or 10 days once. Once the engine gets powered, check the speedometer whether any warning light shows, check the air conditioner and headlights. Second, if the car is not used for long time and stands in same place, disconnect the battery, that is, remove the negative terminal of the battery. By doing this, energy discharged for the battery will be saved. The next thing is don't park your car in handbrake, park in first gear, and give some brake support to wheels, because if the hand gear engaged for long time it may get jammed with drums. So avoid park using handbrakes. Fourth, if your car parked in outdoor, cover your car with Prover wrapper, that will help you to save car from fade of paint and save from bird shit. And next, move the car front and back to change the tire positions, because if the car stands in same position for long time, crack may form in wheels. To avoid crack, often change the position of wheels. Follow the given tips and maintain your car during lockdown. Stay home, stay safe, wear mask. If you like this video, press the like button below, do subscribe and click bell button for future videos. Thanks for watching.